When you need to make sure that your documents stay the same, just as you last saw it, you want to convert your document into a PDF file. Microsoft Word and similar apps are great for putting together your report, but you're bound to encounter formatting issues when viewing documents across multiple apps, or even older versions of the same app. If you're on a Mac and need to convert a Word document to PDF, there are multiple ways to get it done, despite the format not being native to the system. Here's what you can do. Most apps that edit Word documents will often also give you an option to export your file as a PDF. For best results, you'll want to use Word itself. While you can get Microsoft Word on macOS, you'll need a subscription to get it to work. So the next best option would be to use any other Office suite. On most apps, you'll find the option to export your document as a PDF file under the File menu in the top left. If you've yet to install an Office suite, you can open and convert Word documents using Preview. Just open the document using the app, click on File, then select Export as PDF. From here, just choose where you want to save your file, rename it if you want, and then click Save. If you encounter formatting issues, there's always the option to do this via Google Docs. Just head over to docs.google.com, sign in if you haven't, then open a blank document. Once it's loaded, click File, select Open, then click on the Upload tab on the window that appears. You can drag and drop your file or use the button to find it via File Explorer. This will upload and open your file for editing. From here, just click File, mouse over Download, and select PDF Document. Your document will be immediately converted and downloaded as a PDF file. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering PDFs and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.